Hi guys, today I'm showing you a DVD unboxing of Minions: The Rise of Gru. I should have got this in today. I'm sensing maybe this is the button. I want you to event. So see you. There's the front. Spine. There's the back. It says too many movies includes post-modern Minions and Monsters. Is the running time 1 hour 23 minutes. SCU, mild, comic, violence, very mild, scary scenes, rude, humor, language, universal, suitable for all. There's the Minions, The Rise of Gru. Includes Shrek, Four Movie Collection, Despicable Me, Kung Fu Panda, The Movie Collection, How to Train Your Dragon Collection, The Cards 2 Movie Collection, Trolls 2 Movie Collection, Spirit 2 Movie Collection, and Sing 2 Movie Collection. And the family box sets, collect them all. Activity book in every box set. And here's the disc.